people.
Look above our heads. Everybody look down.
How many of you like to go to the beach? Would you feel the same way if the shore was covered in trash? How many of you like to eat seafood? Well, what if you no longer had the option due to the toxic chemicals that are being absorbed by the marine life that we enjoy? Dumping of industrial, nuclear, and other waste into oceans was not considered illegal until the early 1970s. We should help prevent pollution because ocean pollution not only affects the fish in the ocean, but also affects the plants and animals surrounding the ocean, as well as indirectly affecting humans. In the next couple of minutes, I will show you how we as a community can protect the little things that we love. The first point I would like to discuss is how ocean pollution is affecting everything. Pollution not only affects marine life, but it also affects animals surrounding the ocean and affects humans indirectly. Wildlife, like pelicans, swallow bottle caps and other plastic materials. Plastic is non-biodegradable, so it does not go away and is harmful to every living thing. In the marine environment, plastic breaks down into smaller particles that absorb toxic chemicals and are ingested by wildlife and enter into the food chain that we depend on. Stephen Palumbi, a marine biologist from Stanford University, said that the toxins on the seafloor can find their ways into our bodies by simply eating fish from the Japanese fish market. The next point would be how we can prevent it. There are many ways to help prevent ocean pollution, but I am going to talk about two in particular. Not only disposable items, just because they are convenient, and volunteer groups to help clean up our coastlines. You would expect me to say recycling, but that is not a sustainable solution. Plastic is a symbol of our overconsumption crisis, and we need to put a stop to it by cutting down the disposable products we use. Secondly, our shorelines are already polluted, and the longer we stay idle, the more it will have an effect on our environment and every living creature in it. A huge way to contribute and clean up to the shorelines is to volunteer at one of the many pollution outreach services. Let us recap what we just went over. We should help prevent pollution because ocean pollution not only affects the fish in the ocean, but it also affects the plants and animals surrounding the ocean, as well as indirectly affecting humans. Now that I have informed you about ocean pollution and how you can prevent it, I hope that you take into account your actions and how you can help us sustain our beautiful coastlines and their inhabitants.